Geography of Germany. Germany. Introduction of the Federal Republic of Germany. The official name of Germany, Federal Republic of Germany. Germany is a country in Central Europe that stretches from the Alps across the North European plain to the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. It is the second most populous country in Europe after Russia and is seventh largest country by area in the continent. The territory of Germany covers 357,021 km square, consisting of 349,223 km square of land and 7,798 km square of waters. Germany is located in the continent of Europe, region Central Europe, coordinates 51 degree N, 10 degree E, area ranked 62nd, total 357,221 km square, land 97.66%, water 2.34%, coastlines 2,389 km, borders 3,714 km, borders length included Denmark 140 km, 96 mi, Poland 467 km, Austria 801 km, Switzerland non-EU 348 km, Belgium 133 km, France 418 km, Luxembourg 138 km, Czech Republic 704 km, Netherlands 575 km, Sweden maritime boundary Baltic Sea, United Kingdom maritime boundary North Sea. The highest point of Germany, Zugspitze, 2,962.06 m, 9,718 feet, the highest point of Germany. The lowest point of Germany, minus 3.54 m. The longest river of Germany, Rhine, 1,230 km, 764 mi, the longest river of Germany. The largest lake of Germany, Lake Constance, 536 km square, 207 square mi, the largest lake of Germany. Climate of Germany, temperate, mostly temperate. The climate of Germany, temperate. Terrain of Germany, lowlands in north, uplands in center, Alps in south. The terrain of Germany. The natural resources of Germany, coal, lignite, natural gas, iron ore, copper, nickel, uranium, potash, salt, construction materials, timber, arable land, the natural resources of Germany. Germany. The natural hazards of Germany: flooding and earthquake in Rhineland, Palatinate, North Rhine, Westphalia, and Baden-Württemberg. Landslide. Exclusive economic zone of Germany: 57,485 km square, 22,195 square miles. Mostly Germany is free from environmental issues. The environmental of issues of Germany: Fast facts of Germany. Official name: Federal Republic of Germany. Form of government: Federal Republic. Capital: Berlin. Population: official language German. Money: Euro. Area: 134,838 square miles. Major rivers: Rhine, Elbe, Main, Danube. Geography. Fast facts: Germany's central and southern regions have forested hills and mountains cut through by Danube, Main, and Rhine river valleys. In the north, the landscape flattens out to a wide plain that stretches to the North Sea. Between these extremes, Germany is a country of incredible variety. Germany. Fast fact: location. Germany's location at the heart of Europe has shaped its history both for good and bad. It borders 9 neighbors, more than any other European country. Germany has 9 neighbors. People and culture of Germany. Today, almost 1 in every 10 Germans comes from a foreign country. That is more than any time in history. The largest minority are Turkish, who started coming in the 1950s to work. About 2/3 of Germans are Christians. Germany is famous for what? Germany has been called the land of poets and thinkers. Germans are famous in all forms of art, but particularly classical music. Germany's famous composers include Bach, Brahms, Schumann, Wagner, and Beethoven. Nature of Germany. The German government works hard to protect the country's wildlife. There are 97 nature reserves in Germany, the biggest of which is the Black Forest. Despite these efforts, though many species are at risk of extinction, including certain species of whales, beavers, and minks. Government and economy. After losing World War II, Germany was in ruins. West Germany recovered to become Europe's richest country, but East Germany, under communist control, fell far behind. After reunification in 1989, Germany spent billions of dollars to modernize the East. Like, share and subscribe Moitu TV for learning.